Welcome back to my channel. Kung naghahanap ka ng isang savings program wherein makakapag-save ka for the long term and then makakakuha ka ng lump sum amount in the future, maybe ito na yung product para sa'yo. So we will discuss our newest product in AIA. It's called Ascend. It's an endowment plan at age 65, pero hindi lang at age 65 yung may makukuha kang payout. So something siya na kakaiba. Alright? It has guaranteed annual cash payout. May marireceive ka every year, right? Starting on the year at the end of year 5 or end of year 6, depende. Every year hanggang age 65. Tapos pagdating ng age 65, may lump sum. Alright? May guaranteed din siyang life insurance in case of death. May makukuha yung family mo or yung beneficiaries. Guaranteed din na 5 years or 10 years yung payment period. So, unlike VUL na hindi guaranteed yung mga paying period niya. And then, guaranteed na may lump sum maturity benefit at age 65 that you can use for whatever plan that you want. Alright? Ang main feature ng Ascend, since it's an endowment, ito yung mga benefits na makukuha mo. You will get 5% of the face amount. So, yung face amount lagi yung basis. 5% of the face amount, you will get as cash payout. Starting at the end of year 5 or year 6, depende sa plan na makukuha mo, up to age 65. Bukod doon, you add the lump sum maturity benefit at age 65. So may makukuha kang lump sum at age 65. Isang buo yan. Alright? Bukod doon, you can add the accumulated dividends if you choose to accumulate yung dividends mo up to age 65. Yun. So parang tatlong klaseng benefits yung makukuha mo. The annual payouts, the lump sum amount, and then the dividend. Alright? And then, of course, may life insurance siya. Yung life insurance niya is 200% ng face amount or the total premiums paid less the cash payouts that you received, whichever is higher. So, walang talo. If in case there are times na yung total premiums na nabayad mo, mas malaki siya sa double ng face amount, yun ang makukuha mo. So, walang tapon, walang talo tong product na to. Right? Puro panalo lang sa'yo as the client. Alright? It has guaranteed paying period, 5 years or 10 years to pay. So, dalawa lang yung option, 5 pay or 10 pay. And then, may mga different riders like the total and permanent disability, the personal accident insurance, the enhanced waiver of premium, payer's term benefit, and the payer's benefit on death and disability. All are optional. Diba? So, depende kung gusto mong ilagay or wala na ring riders. Depende sa'yo. So, pag-uusapan na lang natin yan. Depende sa need mo, depende sa gusto mo. So, ang tanong magkano? Magkano ba to, DJ? Right? So, naggawa ka ng sample for Ascend, 10 years to pay, female age 38. So, sa female age 38, for a 1 million face amount, meaning 5% nun, which is 50,000, yung payout every year. Alright? Starting at the end of year 6 kapag 10 years to pay ka. Alright? Tapos may 2 million kang life insurance. You can see it in this quotation. 2 million yung life insurance mo kasi doble ng face amount. Alright? And then, the total and permanent disability nilagyan natin 1 million din. Tapos may personal accident insurance 1 million din. All these coverages is only 257,770 yung annual premium. So, a little over 20,000 monthly. 10 years to pay lang. Tapos na agad. After 10 years, makukuha mo na yung benefits mo. In fact, starting at the end of year 6. Alright? So, tignan natin ngayon yung table na to, illustration of benefits. So, if you can see, right? So, age 38, after 1 year, end of year 1, 39 na yung client, no? So, nagbabayad 257,770. Kung mapapansin nyo, for age 44 ni client, at the end of year 6, no? Kasi 38 plus 6, so 44 na siya. Alright? 50,000, mag-start na yung payout na 50,000. May matatanggap na 50,000. Every year, kung makikita mo dyan, every year, year 6, year 7, etc. hanggang age 65. So kung mag-start siya ng age 44 hanggang 65, 22 years yun. 22 years tuloy-tuloy, makakatanggap ka ng 50,000 if you are this client. Pero yung payment period, 10 years lang, and hindi ka pa tapos magbayad, nakakatanggap ka na ng benefit. Alright? I also want to highlight na meron tayong non-guaranteed dividends wherein pwedeng hindi mo muna withdrawin. I highly suggest you leave it there to accumulate interest para lumaki siya ng lumaki, mag-compound siya. Alright? Kasi may dividend ka, pag iniwan mo yun dyan, mag-i-interest yun kasi hawak ni AIA yung pera mo. Right? So depende sa performance nung funds, nung market, no? So usually it could play around 2% to 4%. Alright? So again, ano lang yun, kumbaga estimate lang. Diba? So makikita mo, yung accumulated dividends sa first year, for 490 pesos lang. Pero pag hindi mo ginalaw, iniwan mo lang siya dyan, depending on the payout na dividend, no, it could compound. Alright? So if kikita siya ng 3.9%, diba? So magko-compound siya. So possible na lumaki siya ng lumaki. Alright? So of course, not guaranteed ito, pero bonus na yan. Kunyari, pagdating ng age 65, withdrawin mo siya. In this illustration, 1,017,000 yung potential dividends. Alright? So tingnan natin yung affordability or kung sulit ba. So for the study made for age 38, 10 years to pay, yung annual premium is 257,700. If you add that or multiply that to 10, the total premiums paid is 2,577,000 in total. Yung annual payout na na-receive mo from age 44 to age 65, so 22 years yun. So 50,000 times 22, that's 1.1 million. Bumalik na kagad yung 1.1 million. Aside from that, you will get a maturity benefit at age 65, which is double the face amount. So yung 1 million face amount, doble nun, 2 million pesos. So makakatanggap ka when you're alive at age 65 ng 2 million pesos buong buo. Alright? So 1.1 million plus 2 million, the total benefits received is 3.1 million. Guaranteed dyan both na yan. Guaranteed yung annual payout, guaranteed din yung maturity benefit. Now, since nabanggit ko nga kanina may accumulated non-guaranteed dividends, so at age 65, kunyari at the 3.9% accumulation rate, potentially, no, depende sa mga payouts kung annually nakaka-receive ka ng dividends, no, you possibly mag-accumulate siya into 1,017,212. So i-add mo yun sa 3.1 million, the total benefits potentially will be 4.1 million. Ang binayaran mo lang 2.5 million. No, so tumubo ng 1.6 million yung pera mo. Nakakatuwa, di ba? May annual payout, may maturity benefit at age 65, and then may potential dividends, although not guaranteed, may potential yun. Alright? So who can avail? As an owner, anyone age 18 hanggang age 99 pwede maging owner. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung may-ari ng policy, ikaw yung makakatanggap ng payout habang buhay ka. The insured will be from age 0 to age 45. Alright? So hanggang age 45 lang yung pwedeng i-insure. So kung 46 ka na or 60 ka na, you wanna buy, you might want to use the life of somebody else, like yung anak mo or apo mo. Siya yung insured, ikaw yung owner. So you will get the payouts, iba lang yung may life insurance. Pwede rin yun. And then, in case of death of the owner, the policy continues, and then the insured will be the new owner, no, kapag hindi na siya minor. Alright? If you can also notice, the annual payment is cheaper compared to other payment terms like semi-annual, alright, quarterly or monthly. So, pinakasulit yung annual, parang discounted siya. So, saan ba maganda gamitin si Ascend? Tinitignan ko kung anong magandang goal para sa kanya. The number one goal talaga that comes into mind, and I think that was also designed that way, is really for retirement funding. Very important that we prepare for retirement. And based on mga natutunan ko sa industry na to, sa financial planning, we should be preparing for retirement at least 20 years ahead. So if you wanna retire at age 65, at age 45 or younger, nagisimula ka na. Kaya siguro hanggang age 45, no, yung issue age lang ito for the insured. No, kasi hindi enough yung 5 years or 10 years to prepare for retirement, hindi enough because you need time to save up, you need time for the interest rate na maramdaman. Kung masyado maikse, less than 20 years, hindi talaga magpa-perform well. You'll just get frustrated. Alright? So again, if you can see, no, so by age 65, no, dun sa example natin kanina na age 38 na female, sa age 65, meron kang cash value guaranteed 2 million. Right? So sa column A, 2 million yan guaranteed makukuha mo siya. So kung winidraw mo yung mga cash payout, no? So at age 65, may 50K ka pa, plus the 2 million. And then the potential dividends na 1,017,212. Although not guaranteed again, I wanna highly stress that. Bonus na lang yun. So pro tip, anong pro tip dito? You know, you can choose to leave the annual payouts and dividends as well to accumulate interest until age 65. Alright? So, Huwag mo munang withdrawin yung mga cash payouts na tig 50,000 every year kung hindi mo naman kailangan. Iwan mo dyan. No? Choose the option to leave and to accumulate interest so that it will compound. Kasi pag hawak ni AIA yung pera, it will earn interest. No? 2%, 3%, 3.9% dun sa example natin. So depende no, sa prevailing interest rates during that time. Alright? Pag sa bangko ka naglagay time deposit, hindi na makikita ng 3.9% yun every year. No, parang bonds na rin yun eh. So maganda na, I think, na kay AIA siya. Alright? It will add to your lump sum payout during your retirement. So, kung ang goal mo naman talaga is retirement, huwag mo munang galawin yung dividends, yung payouts. Ipunin natin lahat para pag age 65, pwede. So, lalaki yung potential dividends mo by that time or yung potential payout, no? Kasi tatlo yung kukunin mo eh. Yung cash payout na hindi mo kinuha tas nag-interest, yung dividends na hindi mo kinuha tas nag-interest, and then the double the face amount, which is the maturity benefit. Alright? So in this case, kung 1 million face amount, 2 million yun. Pwede mo rin siyang kunin as health funding, no, for beyond age 65. So alam na natin na may mga health insurance or mga HMOs. Kaya lang usually, yung ino-offer, hanggang age 65 lang siya pwede. No, beyond age 65, bihira makahanap ng health insurance. So parang cash na ang kailangan mo. Self-funded na. So habang bata, kuha ka ng health card while you're employed, probably kuha ka ng health card or other health insurances. Pero kasabay nun, dapat nag-iipon ka na rin just in case you really, get old and doon ka pa magkasakit beyond age 65, kailangan may pera kang separately. Alright? So, ganun din, no, you will accumulate yung amount na yon during that time. The same example, nakakatanggap ka ng tig 50K every year. Probably, pwede mo itong gawin, pambili mo na lang ng health card, no, pambili mo ng HMO or another insurance plan, no, that I'll recommend in a while. Alright? Or gamitin mo for whatever purpose. And then, ipunin mo, pagdating ng age 65, may 2 million ka. Malaking fund na yon for health funding separately. So, sabi naman nila, when you do your financial planning, dapat magkakaibang cabinet or folder bawat goal. No? Pang education, iba. Pang retirement, iba. Pang health fund, iba. Ganyan. Life insurance, yung iiwan ko sa family ko, iba. So, ideally, you have at least 4, preferably even more. So, pro tip. Now, pro tip is you get a Medicard or yun yung HMO natin kasi we're also accredited with Medicard or our product called AIA MedAssist. Ito yung life insurance plus confinement, health card na pang confinement coverage to cover you up to age 65. No? Kasi habang bata hanggang age 65, pwede kang mag-renew or kumuha nitong HMO na to or ng health card na to parang term insurance. Beyond age 65, wala na. Diba? And then bundle it with our product, yung AIA Critical Protect. I have a very, popular video about this. Ang daming kumukuha, ang daming clients. They're very, sobrang sulit itong plan na to kasi affordable, tapos coverage up to age 100 for critical illness. No, so you will bundle these with this health insurance options. I want to show you this table. Kung age 38 ka na female, no, kung Medicard na kukunin mo, coverage is 200,000. Ang features niya is confinement, outpatient, check-ups, emergencies, dental, APE, tapos yearly renewable. Kung may pre-existing cover ang covered niya is up to 5,000 every year. Magbabayad ka up to age 65 or until gusto mong meron kang coverage. Magkano siya? 25,000 lang nagsisimula yung VIP plan. No, 25,000 lang siya and then depende sa utilization, it may go up. Alright? Another plan is AIA MedAssist. Very fast-moving din na product namin yan dito sa AIA. Ang coverage niya, pinakamura, 500,000 every year. Alright? Life insurance siya, may savings, may confinement. Pang-confinement lang siya, wala siyang check-ups. Right? And then, yearly renewable din siya every year. Nare-renew mo siya. Yung pre-existing coverage may be covered starting on the second year but not on the first year. And then, pay up to age 65 din siya. Increasing premium siya. Nagsisimula siya 32,052.24 sa year 1, tapos nadagdagan siya ng paunti-unti, about 1 to 2,000 a year. Alright? And then yung AIA Critical Protect naman, coverage is 1 million for critical illness. Up to age 100 ang coverage and life insurance, whichever comes first. Hindi covered yung pre-existing condition. Pag may pre-existing ka, depende sa medical kung i-approve ka. Pero hindi na yun covered. And then, 20 years to pay lang. Ang maganda rito, 20 years lang. So, kung 38 ka, up to age 57 ka lang or 58 nagbabayad, 38,242.50. So, mas mahal ng konti, pero 20 years to pay lang, up to age 100 na yung coverage. So, if you can get all, why not, diba? Pero you choose one or two of this. No, habang bata, habang nag-iipon, cover mo yung sarili mo ng these types of health insurance. And then, at age 65, you need a lump sum fund for your health insurance as well. Magkano na yung cost of hospitalization during that time, like 20, 30 years from now, medyo mahal na siguro. So we need a lump sum amount. So you can also use this for that purpose. Alright? So when I was reviewing this product, si Ascend talaga is for people who wants to get living benefits for themselves. Right? Kasi meron kaming product, no, yung A+ signature. Ito, nireview ko rin to and very popular. Marami rin kumukuha. However, the only limitation of this, kung titignan mo, para talaga siyang pamana or legacy building. So, yung iba kong clients, ayaw nila siya. Kasi parang, hindi ko makukuha lahat para sa akin. No? Parang kalahati lang ng binayad ko yung for me. And then the rest, para na sa anak ko, apo ko. So, minsan ayaw nila nun. No? So, kung ayaw nilang pamana lang, gusto nila para sa kanila, most probably, Ascend yung para doon. So maybe you can also relate. No, Ascend addresses the market who don't like A+ signature, just like I mentioned, where the family will be the ones who will benefit more. Alright? Yun talaga yung yung major market na ina-address ng Ascend. No, kaya siya na-create, kaya siya namin nilabas. No, kasi maganda yung A+ signature, kaya lang yun nga, may mga tao na paano naman ako, ba't puro pagbigay na lang sa iba? Paano naman pag nag-retire ako? So, okay, we created a product na at age 65, makukuha mo ng lump sum, may enjoy mo lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. No, walang talo, yung hinulog mo more than that yung nakuha mo. Right? For me, no, ang best fit nito is for ages 30 to 45. Right? Obviously, pag beyond 45 ka na, hindi ka na pwede kumuha pag para sa'yo. Alright? Kapag below naman 30, baka may other products, no, yung mas mura, mas affordable, gano'n. Maybe you can get the A+ signature. It's also something, no. I have a video, panoorin mo, no, kung bago ka pa lang nagsisimula sa insurance, no. Ito yung perfect first insurance for you, si A+ signature, kasi may savings, may life insurance. Now, pwede nang lagyan ng critical illness. So, pwede yun. Si Ascend, iba, para siya dun sa nagpe-prepare na talaga for retirement, for age 65 onwards, no. So age 30 to 45. So pagpasok ka rito, maybe para sa iyo to. It may also be a gift, no, for your kids or grandkids, no. If you're 60, 55, ganyan, hindi na siya para sa iyo. Gusto mo may maiwan sa mga apo mo, so pwedeng sila yung kuhanan natin, sila yung insured. Alright, ikaw yung owner, habang buhay ka, ikaw yung tumatanggap ng payouts. Upon death, malilipat yung ownership sa anak mo or sa apo mo. Depende kung paano natin siya isa-set up. I will help you with that. And then at age 65 or 5 or 6 years from now, magsisimula na yung payout every year. Tapos at age 65, mayroon silang lump sum. So imagine kung apo mo to, no? Kunyari, below 10 years old pa. Pag nag-65 siya, hanggang mag-65 siya, naalala ka pa rin niya. So grabing legacy. No? Kasi at age 65, may retirement siya. Biruin mo, ikaw ang nagbigay ng retirement sa apo mo. Diba? What a luxury. And hopefully all lolos and lolas or parents can do that for their children para mas umangat yung quality of life ng Philippines. Right? So if you have questions, just let me know. Send me a message in my Facebook page. If you have requests for quotation, send me your full name, your birth date, occupation, mobile number, and how much face amount or magkanong payout yung gusto mo. You can also give me your budget, no? Pero kung magkano yung annual payout, magkano face amount, 500,000 ba? Kasi yun yung lowest. 1 million ba? 2 million ba? 5 million ba? 10 million ba? Let me know. No, I can help you. I can customize this plan for you and your needs. So what you need to do is go to my Facebook page. Just go to DJ De Maliwat. Search my name, DJ De Maliwat. Or go to facebook.com/DJ De Maliwat Official. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video para mas marami pang taong makakita. And subscribe na rin if you haven't done so. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more of the videos like this. So with that, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.